Today we're going to talk about nail pops. Nathan Cox here, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. If you wouldn't mind, take a moment and click at that little ninja at the bottom right of your screen. Subscribe to the channel or just hit the subscribe button. At the top right of your screen will be a link to my website. Hundreds of more videos organized really well, really easy to find all of our content there. Plus there's additional ways to help support us so we can keep creating all this great content for you. Okay, we're going to talk about nail pops today, okay? Getting ready to paint this room, but first we want to dress the walls, clean them up. Now I've got some videos, and you'll see some stuff pop up on the top part of your screen as we're talking, about how to spackle and this and that. These walls are smooth texture, so that's going to kind of make a lot of this easy to fix it once we're done. But the nail pops we're talking about, I got a couple of them right here. So here's another two right here that might be kind of hard to see in the camera. Maybe you can see them now that I'm doing that. Okay, so let's go ahead and set the screw first, which is really the better way to do it. Now that the screw is just beneath the surface of the wall, now you can really see them popping out, can't you? Okay. And the nail's gonna be right there in the middle. Okay. Like I said, some people prefer to yank them out. I like to just sink them in using a nail set so they're in deeper than they ever were before. And now that that screw is there holding them tight, the sheetrock here tight, you should never have any more problem with these nails here that were acting up. Okay, so we're gonna wrap up this really quick, easy video on fixing the nail pop. Now, as far as fixing the texture, do refer to that spackling video that I put up there to help, to do the finishing touches before you paint, because obviously we got to fill that with something, but now that we've repaired the nails and then finished the wall repair, and then you can paint, and it's going to look a lot better, almost like new. Other than that, thank you so much for joining us today. I did hope that this helps you out. Please share this video so it can help out many more people. If you didn't before, take a moment, subscribe to my channel, check out my website, and additional video for you guys to see as well. You guys have a great day.